In this video, we are going to show you how you can redeem 50% off on your next Drone Clone Experts purchase. Now, Drone Clone Experts Inc. is a US-based retailer established back in 2017 that specializes in selling affordable but high-quality 4K camera drones and quadcopters. Now, all you need to do is go click the link on the description below and go to their website here. And once you're here, you just need to shop on, camera drones, or just scroll down and see what drones you want, right? But for this example, we're just going to click on shop camera drones like so, and you're going to have a lot of assorted drones here. So for example, we want to buy Razer X Pro. So click on this product here, and here on the product page, click on add to cart. There you go. If you want to add some peripherals, you can do so, but we're just going to skip this offer, and it's going to bring us to this slide here. You want to click on checkout. There you go. And here, this is going to be a typical checkout page. Here on your right hand side under the product, it's going to say discount code or gift card. So all we need to do is paste this code here and click on the right arrow like so. And as you can see here, we have now a 15% off on this purchase. So after that, you just need to go through the typical checkout process and just pay for your new drone in whatever payment method you so desire. So after that, you'll be good to go. Pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.